Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, just log in with your credentials and activate the cloud shell. And this lab is just recently updated, and I will give the timeline in this lab so that you can just simply jump on the task where you are facing the issue. Okay, so just activate your cloud shell and wait for to establish a connection. And this is a workaround we are going to use in this lab. Please check the description box. I will share the link in there, and open that link in normal window, not in incognito window. Okay, so now just copy these four commands, copy that and run over here, click on authorize. Now this command will get taking some time, so just move ahead the next thing. So just search for the bucket, open that thing, new tab, and from the your lab instruction page, this is the bucket name, copy that, come over here, create bucket, paste the name over here, click on continue, 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 uncheck this checkbox and click on fine grains, continue and create. So you are done with the bucket. Now search for the BigQuery, open that BigQuery. Now from the lab instruction, copy the name for the dataset name. So just copy this name, click on this three dot, then click on create dataset and paste the name over here. Now click on create dataset, then click on this down arrow, then click on this three dot of this dataset, then click on create table. Now from here choose the Google Cloud Storage, and for the path, if you just come on the task number 1, you will get this path. So just copy this path, copy that, paste over here and just remove this gs:/. Okay, now just for the name you can just give any name. For the table I am just giving customers. Enable this, and if you just come on the dashboard, once this command executed properly, you will get one metadata, or you can say one schema which we need in this field. Okay, so just wait for to this command get executed properly. So it's finally done. Let me just increase the text size for you so that you can understand what I am doing over here. Now copy from this square bracket to this. Okay, copy that, go to your BigQuery and paste over here. Okay, now just remove this extra space between here like this, and then simply click on create. Just wait and down. Now just search for the data flow. Click on this jobs, click on this create job from the template, and for the job name you can give anything. I'm just giving customers, customer job customers. Okay, for the data flow template, just copy this thing, copy that, click here, paste over there, and from process bulk in batch, choose the first one. Just wait for a second and you will get this kind of output. Okay, required parameters like. So now just copy this first thing, paste over here, then copy this JSON path, paste over here, and just remove this gs:/. Let me just increase the size for you. Okay, okay, then copy transform and make sure there is no extra space. You can just use backspace button or delete button of your keyboard, then click on this transform, then copy this, paste over here, then copy this, paste over here, then copy this temporary BigQuery directory, copy that, paste over here, and just remove this thing. Okay, then copy this and paste over here and like this. Now this done. Just simply click on run job. Now this task will take around 5 to 6 minutes, sometimes take 10 minutes. So just wait for do not wait for that, just move at the task number 2, and task number 2 is just recently updated. If you just scroll down, these 4 things are now updated there. So just search for the Dataprep, Dataproc. Okay, okay, so I just mistakenly open, let me just open the Dataflow over here. Okay, so as you can see, this thing is still in running state. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes, or sometimes it will take more than that. So now we are on the Dataproc. Okay, as it mentioned over here. Now simply click on create cluster, then choose the compute engine, click on that. Now for here, if you can see, for me the region is US West 1, so I am going to choose region US West 1. Okay, now what they have changed over here, they have just add this detail. So what we have to do, click on this configuring nodes, and from here for the series we have to choose E2 and E2 standard 2, and just scroll down for the worker node, choose the E2 and E2 standard 2 as it mentioned over here. Okay, the number of node is 2, already they have mentioned. Now simply click on create, then you are done with this thing. Now just wait until the cluster is created. If you want, just click on this cluster name and then click on this VM instance. Now once you getting a status like running, then we have to just move ahead the next step. So just wait for couple of minutes and we can just move at the next task. So as you can see, the status in running state. Now simply click on SSH. Okay, now if you just scroll up on the task number 2, copy this command. Do not copy that function bracket, copy that, and run over here. Now just wait for this command get executed. So it's done. Now you can simply click on this cross option. Now what we have to do, just click on this job option, then click on this submit job. Okay, okay. Now for the cluster name, first of all we have to change the region. What is the region? US West one. So just click here, choose for the US West one. For the cluster, just click on that and cluster will be available. If the cluster is not available, that's mean you have created the region in different and wrong region. Okay, now for the job type, choose the second Spark. Okay, for the main class or jar, this will be here, copy that, paste over here. For the jar file, copy this and paste. Then if you can see arguments, so just copy this and paste here. For the max restart, just type 1. So you are done with that. Simply click on submit, and this task will again take couple of minutes, so you can just move it the task number 3. And I hope you get no, so we have to just wait for a couple of minutes. Now search for the data prep. Open that thing in new tab like this. Click on this, click on accept, agree and continue. Click on allow, choose your student ID, click on allow, and click on this and click on accept. Simply click on continue. Now before doing that, before just continue with the task number 3, you can just check the score for the task number 1 and task number 2. As you can see, I got a success, and from here everything is been done. Here you can see the status is success. So if you want, you can just check the score for the task number 1 and task number 2. Okay, now let's continue with the task number 3. So what we have to do, first of all, just copy this. Then if you want, just click on this cross. Okay, and then click on this create new flow, then click on this add data set, then click on import data set, and from here choose the cloud storage. Now click on this pencil icon and just copy, which we copy from here, just paste over here. Okay, like this. Now simply click on go. Okay, now just wait here. So it's done. Now simply click on import and add to flow. Wait for a second and everything will be done automatically. Just wait. Okay, so it's done. The data is loaded properly. Now simply click on this recipes, double click over here and just wait. So data is loading over here. Now if you just scroll down from here, so first of all we have to just remove the failures, then we have to add this. Okay, so I will let you know. So just swipe right, and from the column number 10 click on that, and here this is a failure, right click over here, and from here delete row with the selected value, click on that. then click on this column number 9, this down arrow, click on that. From here search for the rows over here. Now click on this on column values and from here choose the contents. Okay, now for the pattern to the match, just copy this. Do not copy that closing function option and paste over here like this. Now simply click on add and you are done with this thing. Now what we have to do, we have to just change the name of all the columns. Okay, so as you can see, the column starting from column 2 to column number 8. So just copy the first thing, number ID, click on this down arrow, then click on rename and make the changes over here. So it's done. Okay, now click on this column 3, rename, copy this user ID and column 3 name change with the user ID. Click on add. Then copy this lab ID on column number 4, rename column number 4 change with the lab ID. Click on that and make sure there is no extra space, otherwise you will get an error. Now copy this lab title and column number 5 will change with the lab title like this. Now copy the start and it will change with the column number 6. Okay, now end change with the column number 7. Simple. Now column number 8 change with the time. Now column number 8 change with the time. And here you can see there is an extra space, so that's why I'm getting this kind of error. So just use backspace and click on add. Now column number 9 will change with the score like this and simply click on add. Then column number 10 change with the state. Copy that and change over here. Now just check this path must be look like this. If it's not looking like this, then you have to make changes over there. Okay, so now what we have to do, simply click on run, scroll down and click on this run. Now this thing is going to take around 5 to 10 minutes, so just move it the task number 4 and that is our final task. So before doing that, okay, just if you get like the reconnect error, simply click on reconnect. First of all, just search for the API key, open this thing in new tab, then click on this credentials, then click on create credentials and simply click on API key. Okay, now it will going to take a couple of seconds, so just move it the task number 4. We have to first of all create one API key for the task number 4. Now just go to the lab instructions. Now here, no, not lab instructions, the documents. From here copy this 1 2 3 4 5 6 command till gcloud auth login. So just copy all this command, copy that and run over here and click on authorize. One more thing guys, once you run gcloud auth command, you will get one link from where we have to just authorize ourselves. If this command is not working for you, that time you have to run this command. In previous time this command is not working, so that's why I give the alternate command, but now this command is working. But in future if it's not working, okay, we have to just type yes. That's thing what I'm talking about. In last time it's this thing is not working, so we have to use that command. But and if you face the issue like that, then use this command. Okay, now simply click on allow and copy this thing, come over here dashboard and enter the authentication code, just paste that. Okay, so we are done with this. Okay, now for here Now please pay attention guys from here. So just check that CNL result. This is the thing, CNL result. Then go to your lab instruction. If you just scroll down, this is a second command called CNL some number and result. So just copy this thing, copy that, go to your notepad or anything and just change from here to here like this. Okay, now copy this and run over here. Okay, now just here we have to copy this thing carefully, copy that. Let me just, okay, copy this thing carefully from here to here, then paste over here. And as I said, we have to just create one API. So just copy this, go to your dashboard and paste the API key over there. Done. Now copy the nano command, copy that, run over here. It will open one shell. So just copy this thing, paste over here. And how to save? Control X, Shift Y and hit enter. Okay, now copy this command carefully and run over here. Now for this command, cp command, here you can see GCS result. As you can see, GCS result. So if we just go to the lab instruction page, here GCS result. So just copy this thing, do not copy that full stop, copy that and make the changes from GS colon to last. Okay, now copy this command, run over here and you will be done. Now just copy these 4 commands at a time, copy that, run over here, just wait for that. Meanwhile copy this nano command and run over here. Now just remove all this content. You have to just use the backspace because it's not work as a control A and delete like that as we do in the normal Windows. So just remove all the contents, again scroll down, copy this content, copy that, paste over here and simply how to save? Control X, Shift Y and hit enter. Okay, now just copy this last command, copy that, run over here, then copy this last command of this whole lab, copy that and run. So it's done. Now if you want, you can just check the score for the task number 4 and you will get a score without any issue. Now for the task number 3, if you just go to your job, this thing is still in progress, so just we have to wait until this thing is get executed properly. If you just click on check my progress for task number 3, you will get a score, you will get an error. Oh, I got a score, so that's another thing. I think this thing is done. So for me it's give me the score. I don't know why it's giving me the score, but if not giving score to you, you have to wait until, oh, so it's completed. So that's why, yes, we have to wait until this completed. And as you can see, it's take around 4 minutes, not 8 or 10 minutes. Okay, so I hope you guys like the video. If you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good day guys.